Hi friends, today I am going to share 2 easy recipes of jackfruit. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, comment and share. So without any further delay, let's begin. For this recipe, make sure you choose raw but mature jackfruit as they are perfect for making crispy chips. I'll be taking 500 gram of jackfruit. Let's remove the seed carefully and slice the bulb into thin stripes like this. The slices are ready for deep fry. I'll be keeping this seed for my third recipe. Now time to heat up the oil. I will be keeping the flame in medium as oil has attained smoking point and putting our sliced bulbs into it. As you could see, frying is in progress. Keep flipping and stirring the chunks. Now I'm adding half teaspoon salt in little amount of water. And after few seconds, I'll be adding it to the oil so that the chips get salted evenly. After about 6 to 7 minutes of frying, you can see the chips are turning golden color. Frying for longer will burn the chips, so let's take it out from the oil and spread on absorbent paper to make it less oily. Let's fry the remaining jackfruit slices. Our jackfruit chips is ready. You can enjoy it with evening tea after sprinkling a little garam masala over it. I'm sure you will find these crispy chips a perfect treat for monsoon days. Shh, listen to the sound. How crispy it is. Now moving to our next recipe. For the second recipe, I'm taking 200 gram of ripe jackfruit. For those who don't want to have plain fresh jackfruit bulb just like that, this recipe in the form of smoothie will perfectly fit the bill. I am going to remove the pulp from the seed like this. I'll be keeping this seed for another quick recipe. Many consider jackfruit to be a superfruit because of its potential health benefits. It contains vitamins A and C, potassium, iron, zinc and folic acid, as well as fiber and protein. So it's worth trying these recipes from this exotic summer fruit. Now I will be transferring the pulps to a blender. I will be adding 1 tablespoon organic unrefined sugar which is brown in color. This is optional, you can use normal sugar or honey. Followed by 1 tablespoon powdered milk and 1 cup boiled and cooled down milk. I will be adding half cup cold water as well. You can add more water if you prefer smoothie with thin consistency. Let's blend it to a sweet smoothie full of goodness. It is just perfect for breakfast. I hope you will make this too easy and quick recipe during jackfruit season. That's all for today. See you in my next video on an easy snack recipe from its seed which I have collected today. Thank you and bye-bye.